Jansi van Vuren from Namibia, 18 years of age. Some good hopes for this rider. Underway then for the Namibian rider, Jansi van Vuren, Namibian champion in 2025 and 2024. She's not on her time trial bike though, she's on her road bike. That's going to put her at an immediate disadvantage. I wonder whether she's had a problem with her bike getting here. Listen to this road bike position though. Settles in on that Trek machine. Big gear engaged. Let's see how she does out on the course.